Everybody says money talks, but money invested talks louder. Find out how you can start growing your money and pay yourself first at payyourselffirst.coza. Everyone has a dream. As a young professional, Leanne dreams of a trip to New York. She's also concerned about whether she will be able to retire comfortably in the future. With the help of a qualified financial advisor and the right financial plan in place, Leanne's dreams can come true. Marketing executive at Old Mutual, Corin Thomas believes that the best time to have started saving was 20 years ago, but the next best time is now. That's why they are with you from today.
Corin, it's so wonderful to be able to sit down and talk to you and hopefully find out ways that I can make my dreams a reality. But before I ask you anything, I want to know from you, what are your dreams?
Sure, I've got so many dreams, Leah. Now, see, like, I've got myriads of dreams, but two of them that I can mention is I want to make sure that my lovely daughter gets through school and university and that she has a really good education. And then I want to travel the world and go to different and interesting places with my family.
Corin, why are my dreams and other people's dreams so important to Old Mutual?
It's very important to us because we're really in the people's business and we want people to realize their dreams and goals, and we want to appeal to people and be relevant in their lives and work out what their needs are. And for you, you're in a specific life stage. So what we need to do is understand your life stage, because every life stage has got different needs. And that's why it's important to us.
I always used to think that my dream of visiting New York next year was a little unrealistic, and I know that some people share the same fears, especially in the light of our financial situations. Can Old Mutual help me to put a plan in place to eventually achieve my dreams?
Your dream isn't unrealistic. It might be unrealistic to go next year, but it's not unrealistic. And what we can do is we can absolutely help you to put a plan in place, because it's important to have a plan, but you can't just do that plan by yourself. So what we can do is help you get in touch with a good financial advisor who will give you sound advice. And if you visit our website, www.fromtoday.com, you'll be able to go onto it and click onto a button that helps you get in touch with a financial advisor.
I love that, because it seems like the entire website was created with the customer in mind.
Yeah, absolutely. Our website is very customer friendly. It's relevant to people, it's relevant to your life, and it'll be relevant to your life stage. What you can do is just go around and play in the website and have a look at various things. You'll find two of our TV ads on there, and what we did, if I can just tell you about the one, it actually gave one of our customers, Quinton Malwitsky, a glimpse into his future 40 years in advance, and showed him what he will have if he keeps and sticks to his plan and continues to save regularly for his retirement. But there are lots of things you can go in, you can go and identify your life stage, and you can get hold of a financial advisor.
Now, Corin, you've made reference to the term life stages. What exactly does that entail?
Okay, so what it means is we want to be with our customers and we want to be relevant throughout their life journey. So that could mean from cradle to grave. But everyone's at a different stage of their life. You could be young and starting out, and you could be a working professional. You might be a new parent, and then your needs are very different. And that's why you need someone to work with you and plan with you, and you need advice at each of those life stages, because you can reach your goals and dreams.
But how many phases or stages are there in the life phase?
Well, what you can do is you can go on the website. We've got a life stage map, and there are many phases. There are even some detours, because life isn't perfect. So there are detours like, you might have debt problems, and we can help people get out of debt. You could be divorced, death, there are things like dread disease and those kind of things that happen. So go into it, have a look at our life stage map, and go and play around a little bit.
I love that. So it really is inclusive of everyone.
Yeah, and absolutely, even students. And you know why we want students to start? Because the earlier you start, the better. If you're young and you start saving for your retirement in your 20s, you will absolutely have enough when you retire.
I wish I had known about the value of financial advice when I was a student, but like you say, Corin, it's never too late to start. Thank you so much for your tips and encouragement, and hopefully getting me to New York someday. I guess all that's left to say is, New York, here I come.
Great.
You play hard and work smart, but how are your investments? Find tools and calculators at payyourselffirst.coza and map your goals.